For example, some websites um, are related to this country, this country, to Iran. Okay, usually the extension of the website in Iran usually is .ir. Okay, so we can store the information of IR websites to the server, to a DNS server that is located in the Iran. Usually, the users in the Iran wants to use the information to of IR websites, and usually users from the other parts of the world um, don't need to use the Iranian website. Okay, the IR website. Okay, so there is not need to save the information of IR websites in different DNS in the world. It's enough to store in the DNS in this country. Okay. Uh, this is another example of using distribution to distribute the data and process over multiple matchings. Okay, another technique for scaling is replication and caching. Okay, what's mean of replication? Make copies of data available at different matching. Okay, in this figure you can see one example of replication. For example, uh, one instruction uh, is sent to this matching. Insert A to this matching. Okay, the A data can forward to other matchings, and it can store to other matchings. Okay, so there are multiple copies of A data on different matchings. Okay, so when there are some users that wants to use the A data, they can connect to any of these matchings. They can connect to the first matching or the second matching, the third matching. Okay, this is uh, the characteristic of replication. Make copy of data available at different matchings. Replicated file server and databases, mirror websites, web caching, and file caching in some uh, example of replication. Okay, you can see a definition for replication. Replication is a process of making a replica or a copy of something. Okay. Also, you can see the mirror website definition. In the internet, a website that has been replicated in its entirely and put on another site is called a mirror site. Okay, again, what's the mirror site? In the internet, a website that has been replicated in its own entirely, okay, entirely, and put on another site is called a mirror site. There are some challenges in caching application. One important challenge of caching and replication is consistency. Since there are multiple copies of a source, changing one copy will make it different from the rest. Yes. If one user connect to one machine, okay, and change the A data to another value, for example, to B data, okay, the other machines must be know these changes. Okay. Another challenge is synchronization problem, and security is the other challenge of caching and replication. Okay, another technique for scaling is high communication latencies. Mm, it's mean avoid waiting for response, do something else. High communication latency. Uh, yes, please read this sentence. When a request is sent from one system to another, okay? When a request is sent from one system to another, the system does not wait for its response. The system campaigns to other requests. In this regard, the system uses different handler for each connection. This definition is more appropriate for server. You know, at each time, different clients can connect to one server. Okay, when a server send a request to a client, uh, they can uh, does not wait for its responses. They can do something else. They can pays to other requests that is get from other clients. Okay, so for this reason, for